post crochet stitches can be used to create beautiful things like this lovely cable pattern along this pouch. So let's learn how to make them, shall we? I'm Gemma from Concrete Gems Crochet, and I'm here today to show you front post double crochet stitches. This is in US terms. In UK terms it would be a front post treble crochet stitch, but it's exactly the same stitch, and I'll show you how to do it now. Now today I'm going to be using Paintbox Simply Chunky just to show you how to do the stitch, and I've got a 6mm crochet hook here. I've just done a little sample of double crochet stitches just to start. So I've got 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12 double crochet stitches. It's just a sample to show you how to do the stitches. So I'm just going to turn at the end of my row of double crochet, okay? And I'm going to chain 2. So I'll just do I'll chain 3 and I'll do a double crochet into the stitch as normal. So when we're working a normal stitch, we're working into those 2 top loops that look like a V, just like normal, and that is how you do a normal double crochet, as you probably all know already. Now when you're working, there's different places you can work. So these are the loops at the top. These are called the loops. There's the front loop, which is the one nearest to you, and the back loop, which is the one furthest away from you, which you can work into to create different effects. But today we're going to be working into the post. Now the post is this bit here, this bit that sticks up in the middle, so you can wrap your hook around it. When you've got single crochets or half double crochets, the post isn't as obvious, but there is still one there. But when you've got these nice tall stitches, you can easily see your posts, and that is what we're going to work around now, okay? So for a front post double crochet, we're going to yarn over, we're going to insert our hook, so we're going to go around this post for the next stitch. So we're going to go in at this side of it, which is the right side, the side where my hook is, and then we're going to go round the back, and we're going to come back out the other side of the hook, of the stitch, the post of the stitch, should I say. Then we yarn over and we pull our yarn back through, yarn over, pull through 2 as usual, then yarn over and pull through 2 as usual, and that is a front post double crochet stitch. I will do another one for you. Yarn over, insert the hook around the back and up at the front, yarn over and pull through a loop, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, and you can see that it's creating like a relief kind of effect, and that is how we do the cable, which I can show you now if you would like. So for a cable, if we ignore these 2 now, I'll do a normal double crochet into the top to separate it off, and then I'll show you the cable. So I've untangled my yarn a little bit. So to do these cable stitches, what we basically do is we skip. So skip a number of stitches. So for the one that I did over there, I skipped 2 stitches, and then you do a double crochet, around the post of the next stitch. So we skipped 2 and then we went around the next post, so it's kind of doing a diagonal kind of thing. We do another one around the next post, so that's also on the diagonal. Then we go work across over in front, and we go back and we go around the 2 posts that we've missed. So if you can see that, we're going around that one. So it's a bit awkward twisting it, and it's quite handy if you keep it nice and loose. And then that other one that we missed is that one in there. We're going in there, and that crosses them over. And then as you continue working more and more rows, crossing them over and then doing straight ones alternating, it creates that lovely cable pattern. Okay, but that was just an aside really. I was just trying to show you what you can use the front post double crochets for. Now obviously there's a front post, but there's also a back post double crochet. So I'll just show you that one quickly as well. It's exactly the same, apart from we go round the post the other way. So instead of going in at the front and back out and pulling through, this time we're going to go yarn over and we're going to go in at the back. So our hook comes from the back to the front and then back to the back again. You see, like that, and then you yarn over and pull through, yarn over, pull through two, yarn over, pull through two, and as you can see, that has then pulled it to the back. And if you continue alternating them, you can create a lovely texture, waffly type texture it's called. There's a stitch called the waffle stitch, which is lovely, which uses a mixture of front and back post crochet stitches, or you can create stripes if you carried on like I'm doing. There's loads and loads of different options with front and back post stitches. So I hope that's helped. I hope you now know what the difference is between working in the loops and the posts, and how to do a front post and a back post crochet stitch. Thanks for watching, everyone. I will see you again soon for another tutorial. Bye for now.